Since I'm struggling to install this foot bar, I have to push the walls to connect them. It's a little harder, so connect I'm gonna have to connect this to first this rotation rod with this, and see if it works. I have to adjust them to connect to the holes. So it's connected right now, and I'm going to use this big bolt washer and bolt with this. So this will be like facing inside, and then this is outside here with this. If it works. It's not easy, you know. Okay, I'll show you afterwards. I'm sorry, but I'm not good with this. I'll show you afterwards how I did it.